nice day today. Everybody should at least wear a leaf.
9:05 in the morning, Sunday, March 17th. I'm at Lansing Hill Park in Harlingen, Texas. This one got a lot of algae or duckweed, but check out this one here. This one normally has a lot of duckweed, and you can see the body of water. It's only on the edges there on that you have. See right there. Normally the duckweed is full all over. This part of the park has a lot of palms. There's a lot of bird activity. Scarlet sage. Okay, so that's what that plant, that flower was or is. And then there's this little white one here. I'm almost getting ready to go back home. I was hoping, praying I could spot a train before I leave, but I doubt the southbound manifest gonna pass by this early. Oh, there you go. No, this is the other one, the Corona de Cristo. Let me see if I can spot the Corona de Cristo. I don't think it's blooming yet. And you can see the mesquite. Got fresh leaves, fresh shoots. It's almost springtime. This got a little bit of water, more than it had the last time I was here. And I'm not gonna go to that pond there. Oh, there's an egret right there. It's like a cattle egret. I won't bother it. If I had a newer cell phone, modern, it would pick up the there's a lot of flowering plants. You got your maguey. Four minutes. I probably end the video when I get out. I'm almost out. Almost near the entrance or exit, whatever you want to call it. It is super humid. I didn't spot no rabbits today. Right, I'm gonna end the video here since I'm at the parking lot.